Hello and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my super secret delicious recipe for a garlic vegan friendly dip. Let's get to work. For this delicious dip, you're gonna need Alpro soya skyr, which tastes like mayo. It doesn't taste like skyr and also not like yogurt. It's just perfect for a mayo dip. And it has perfectly high protein, exactly what we like in a dip. You're also gonna need some garlic, as much as your heart likes to add. You're also gonna need some vinegar, salt, garlic powder, turmeric. We're gonna need some mustard and some soy sauce. Now let's get to work. This dip is made in less than 5 minutes. You're just gonna add all your ingredients into a bowl or into a blender, and then you're gonna just mix everything up and you're done. When you do it a day before serving, then all the components gonna just immerse together and the flavor gonna enhance. So try it out and let me know what you think. I have always a staple of this delicious recipe. I have always some of this dip in my refrigerator for sandwiches, for salad dressings, as a dip for my crispy chicken, and I'm gonna leave the link down below and you can try it yourself. It's the best crispy chicken ever, and it's low in calories and super crispy. So now we are adding everything together and then just mixing it up, and we have the best dip ever. Make sure after mixing everything that you try the mixture so that it's exactly how you like your dip. Try it out, let me know what you think. Guys, this is epic. It's low in calories, not too high in fat. It's just 3.3 grams fat and 100 grams. It's pretty high in protein and it has no carbs. So way better than normal mayo or any other replacements. Just take yourself a very delicious piece of bread or whatever you like to dip into this deliciousness and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, can't wait to try this. And no, I'm not sponsored by Alpro, but I like this kind of dip because this skyr is just really tasting like mayo. Try it out, let me know what you think. I just like the consistency of this. It's just like really like mayo without any calories. So enjoy. Guys, we did it. We have here delicious vegan mayo. Guys, we have it here. Vegan mayo, low calorie. This is epic. Let's try it. It sounds pretty damn delicious to me because all the vegan recipes I tried, they're like really good, and I'm very curious how this is. This is a lot of mayo on this bread, kind of like, but I think I will not regret it. Super delicious. My gosh. You definitely wouldn't know this is vegan. This is different than other aioli I do. By the way, check out the other videos about aioli. This is really good. Like, you will really enjoy that. I think it's the perfect base for your fries, for any wraps, sandwiches, kind of everything. Dips for nachos, definitely. So good. I love it. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.